welcome. You need to be able to make good first impressions, which lasts long. Because what people see you now, first time what they saw you is always what they're gonna associate you with when it comes to future, whatever. And however you carry yourself in the world is however people are gonna see you, judge you, respect you, or hate you. And you need to use this information I'm gonna give you now to make your life easier, which can lead to a better networking team and a good opportunity goals that are gonna come in your way. And these opportunities can lead to a better future, leading to a more prosperous life. And more prosperous life means more wealth, and more wealth means happiness, and so on. So you need to be able to think to yourself that people are always going to judge you when they first meet you, and you need to be able to stand out from the crowd. You need to be able to make a good impression that lasts long, right? It's pretty easy when you think about it. And today I'm going to give you the tools that you need to make the good first impressions. So first, my name is Creepkay. Welcome to my channel, and let's start. First, what people are gonna notice is what you wear. Whatever you wear is people are gonna associate with. So let's just say you just wear flip flops and fucking tank tops and just short shorts. People are just gonna be like, oh wow, he's just another bum. And you need to be able to wear casual shirts like this fucking great t-shirt that I'm wearing, or casual fits that look good on you, and which can make other people say, oh, he's got a great taste when it comes to clothes. Second is how beautiful you are, because what people see first is not your face, it's actually your clothes, and then they look at your face. Sometimes it happens, vice versa, but you can use that whatever order that you want to have. So it always comes down to how beautiful you are, or how cute you are, or how handsome you are. No matter how good of an outfit you're wearing, if your teeth look bad, if you smell, if you have bad eyes, whatever, people are gonna notice, and people are just gonna be, oh, he's just another ugly person that I saw on the street today. So you need to be able to have taken care of yourself. You need to have a trimmed hair, maybe like a good facial hair. If you cannot grow it, you need to have a pretty groomed face, clean shaved. I don't know. I don't really know your styles. You need to be able to take care of your fucking eyebrows. I don't know if you can tell, but if you have an unibrow, it sucks. And you need to be able to wash yourself at least once a day, so you don't smell. Because if you smell, people are just like, oh, he just sucks, bruh. So first is clothes, second is just face, third one is smell, how you smell, and fourth one, this is just an appearance. Fourth one is what you're wearing as accessories. Like, let's just say you're wearing a bracelet, a watch. People will always look at your fucking hands or your earrings if you're wearing any. Not a big fan of earrings, as you can tell, because I'm not wearing one. I'm not gay. And anyways, so you need to be able to just put yourself in a situation where people look at you and say, oh, you've got a really good taste, you actually look good, you actually smell nice. And this is just an appearance, right? Then comes the speaking parts. You need to be able to just go there and speak confidently. You need to be bold. You need to be confident. Don't really stutter much. Don't be like, hey guys. No, don't. Go there boldly and just talk to people. Take a deep breath. That's it. And just go talk to people. Introduce yourself. Be like, okay, my name is Georgi. My name is Georgi, by the way. I do this, but you need to be able to have speaking skills, because if you go to a car fucking dealership and you just talk about fucking video games, no one's gonna fucking take you seriously. No one's gonna be like, oh, fuck that guy. And you need to be able to have some kind of brain to think, how are gonna people notice me when I talk? You need to be able to have a voice. You don't have to be like, hey guys. No. Speak up. Don't be yelling as well. So when you go somewhere, you need to be able to have a good conversation. I made a video about that, why people don't take it too seriously. If you want to watch it, you can watch it after this video ends. And you need to be able to speak in a way that people are gonna be like, associate with you. Second is you need to listen to people, because if you don't listen to people, why do people, people like when they are heard. People like when people listen to them and actually give them attention that they need, because we as humans are just wired to just seek attention from people. Even if you're a male, female, fucking whatever sexes they are, they're only two genders, but still. And you need to be able to just give them attention and ask them questions about themselves. So when you go there, you introduce yourself. First, you have to introduce yourself. My name is Georgi, and you need to bring up a conversation. If there's none, but if there is any, you have to join it. Once you join in a conversation or make a conversation, you need to be able to listen to them. You need to ask them questions, because once you start asking them questions, they're gonna be like, okay, he likes me, he thinks that I'm a cool guy, so I'm gonna give them the cool answers. And as you listen to them, they're gonna be like, oh, he's such a cool guy, I'm gonna respect him because he respects me. See, you've now built a really cool connection with someone that you never really knew. Then comes the part when you actually start to, talk about yourself, but you have to make it like quick, like, oh, I'm this, I'm that, da da da. The fourth one is you need to compliment them. Be like, oh, you've got a good watch, bro. Oh, where did you buy that? Or, dude, that's a really cool looking flannel t-shirt or a shirt, whatever. You need to give out compliments, because people don't really get any compliments, and that's gonna make you stand out. You need to realize that making a first impression will always come down to how big of a, special person you are, unique. Because if you're not really unique, people are not gonna, associate with you someone that's unique. So you need to be able to make yourself or do something that not many people do. So such as giving compliments, such as listening to people, such as asking them questions, and being able to have a speaking skills that gets you in conversations that people usually don't really get in. So you need to think that the people that you talk to or you want to make impressions on don't really talk to many people. I mean, that's what you think, right? No, those people that you want to talk to meet thousands of people a day. Well, not really a day, but a week. So how do you think they're gonna remember your fucking face if you don't stand out, if you don't do anything that not many people do? So keep that in mind when you're talking to new people. So fifth one, I sometimes do it. It's just to stand there and just joke about something, because we as humans like laughing, as you can tell, because there's so many try not to laugh videos, there's so many memes out there, and you probably enjoy laughing as well. Who doesn't? It's linked to being positive. So once you try to make, comprehensive jokes with people are gonna be like, oh, he's a funny person, he's a goofy person. But no, not really be like, oh, nah, don't really go and say stupid jokes. No, be like, okay, let's just say you're talking about cars and such. Try to joke about cars. Be like, okay, the Nissan GTR is stupid because X, Y, Z. You need to be able to make jokes. You need to be able to have some kind of skills to make jokes, because if you're not able to make any jokes, how are you supposed to get ahead? Because you need to be able to have some kind of skills when it comes to entertaining someone, because entertainment is the key towards success. That's why you see many YouTube videos about entertainment. That's why you see kids addicted to their phones, just trying to entertain themselves. Or even movies exist because people like entertainment. So you need to be able to go there boldly, shake their hand, introduce yourself. Second is joining the conversation or make a new conversation. Third is to listen to them and ask them questions. Fourth, you need to be able to, what did I say? I really forgot, because my bad, I just say what I think. Fourth one was okay, my bad. You can rewatch it, you can remember it. And fifth one was what I said right now. You need to be able to joke. So then you need to have some kind of touches. You need to touch the person, not inappropriately. No, I mean, like the first handshake, good. You need to be like, oh, maybe like tap on the shoulder, such, because people remember when people touch them. Because it's not people don't really go forward in life and just touch other people now. So you need to be able to just give them some kind of physical touch, not really on the boobs and such, but still. So now I've told you how you can make a good impression, but seventh one would be to actually smile, because when you smile, you look better. See, you need to be able to smile because smiling gives you confidence, and that confidence is needed to actually influence someone and make them like you, even when they don't really know you. So you need to keep in mind that when you first meet people is what they're gonna associate with you when you actually go forward in life and make future plans with them. No, people are just gonna look at you. Oh, this is the guy. This is the good-looking guy, or this is the funny-looking guy, or this is the funny guy. He's a humorous guy. I fucking love them because they listen to me. And I have this one golden rule that I use every single day. I said it in one of my videos. I forgot in which one, and which was, you need to treat others the same way that you want to be treated. So when you go and talk to someone, be like, okay, how would I want to be treated when I'm talking to someone? And you need to do that. You need to do the same exact thing. And one last tip that I have for you is, once you get their name, use your name frequently. Be like, oh, hey Tom, what do you think, Tom? What do you say, Tom? Oh, that looks good on you, Tom. Because people like hearing their voice. I mean, people like hearing others' voices which have their names involved, because we as humans treasure our names so much that we want to hear from other people. We need it. That's why not many people like it when they don't call you by their name. Like, people get triggered when you call them bro, homie, and don't really call them their name. So you need to be able to, when you talk to someone, tell them their name. Like, oh, hey Tom, I think that your hair looks good today, or hey Tom, I think that your shoes look good today, whatever. So those are my tips on how to make a good first impression, a lasting one. And keep that in mind. You need to stand out. You need to do something that not many people do, which is not stupid. You need to be able to be smart, carry yourself well in the room, and think of yourself as like a cool guy when you're talking to them. Because however you think about yourself, what you think about yourself is what you're gonna project onto others. So if you think of yourself as like a shy, depressed, fucking emo kid, that's what people are gonna notice when time goes on. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and if you did, I don't know, do whatever you want, use it. So see ya, buddy. I hope you liked it.